Morning all. So, I've come to the conclusion that to sum it up in one sentence with the creeping of age on me, I'm in my 50th year now, I'll be half a century old in December, that life with a brain injury, my brain injury, your brain injury, I don't know, every brain injury is different as we know, but life is like a firework in a fridge. There's too much going on. There's not enough room in my mind and in my brain to comprehend what's going on around me, because the damage has affected me to such a degree now that all the flashing, the lights, the bang, this is an analogy folks, at the firework, that my brain's just not up to keeping up with life. Simple as that. I had a do the other day. I went to the crematorium to say Happy New Year to my father, who passed away in October. On the way home, I could feel my epilepsy meds working, and I could feel a seizure being staved off, but for the rest of the day I was exhausted. My brain can't keep up. The firework in the fridge. The epilepsy on that occasion was the firework, and the fridge is my mind. But I'm doing alright at the moment, as you can hopefully see, but the aphasia is getting worse. The aphasia is definitely getting worse every single day of my life, because the words don't come. Sometimes the words just do not come. I know what I'm trying to say, and now I can't. The words can't filter their way out of the fridge of my mind through the haze of smoke that the fireworks left behind. And the words just won't come, and I end up speaking like a 5-year-old because the complicated words just elude me completely. And I end up speaking monosyllabic in words of no more than 4 letters. And I get through like that. I'm struggling a bit now, to be honest with you, because I've been speaking for 5 minutes or however long it is, and my brain's struggling to keep up. But I'm stuck with this now, aren't I? Because I'm 50, and I've been carrying this around with me since I was 24. So it's not a new phenomena. But this is my life. This is how I'm destined to be. So the aphasia is not going to get any better. The epilepsy is not going to get any better. My memory is going to get worse. And my memory already is, well, shocking, quite frankly. I'll just walk around the house. I've seen the cat there. There she is, look. She's here. So, I'm stuck with it. But what can I do? I'm not going to feel sorry for myself, because there's no point, because what's that going to achieve? Nothing. So while the firework in the fridge is going on, and the firework gets brighter and louder and more smoky, and the fridge gets smaller and smaller and smaller, and life shrinks around me, put a pair of shorts on your head, have a laugh, and crack on with life. Because what's the choice? Speak soon, folks.